Hey everyone, this is Tyler with Leads by Lord I wanted to make this video for you guys and give you just a couple tips that you can implement right away to start outranking your competitors online and bringing in some more customers for your business. So I have your website pulled up here and it looks great. It's a great layout and a lot of great information here. All right, but the first thing that I really want to get into is content. And with Google, content is king. They like to see anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 words on this homepage. And then as far as your services, right, all these service pages, we want to see anywhere from 500 to 1,000 words. So you're definitely on the right track here, all right? But we want to also focus in on keywords. And that's what adding in that content is going to help you do. And not just any keyword, but buyer intent keywords. All right, keywords that people in your area that you service are typing in all the time to find businesses like yours. So what I did was I pulled up a couple competitors of yours, and I pulled up your report and the tool I use along with theirs, and I'm going to compare and show you exactly what your competitors are doing to get on the first page of Google to bring in the customers that you might not be getting right now. So first is I'll pull up your report here, and these reports here just show some information of your website and your business, such as the rank on Google, information of your backlink profile, which is the second thing we'll get into in a little bit, shows the keywords you're currently ranking for, and then the traffic you're bringing in. All right, so if we take a look at these keywords, we can see what is currently working for you, right? What you're bringing in traffic-wise based off of those keywords, and then kind of where we're missing out on as well. So we can see the position we're in on Google, we can see the volume here, and then the traffic. Okay, so I like to sort it by first page just to see again what we're working on the first page here, and that's anywhere from position 1 to 10. So obviously your name, we're ranked number 1, which is great. All right, we got gas furnace system here, which is just a generic keyword. When I say buyer intent keywords, I mean Pittsburgh area, right? Someone who's typing in HVAC Pittsburgh. That's someone obviously looking for HVAC in Pittsburgh, right? So let's see if we can find any of those. A lot of these are just generic here. And then now we're starting to get into the second page of Google. All right, so there's definitely some keywords we're missing out on. And I don't want to go too in depth here, but you can see, a lot of the keywords that you're ranking for currently, and then again, where we're missing out. So portable air conditioning repair, that's another generic one. Spray foam installation Pittsburgh, right? That could be a good one. There's 60 searches a month for that. All right, you're on the second page though. Actually, the third page. Okay, so we won't go through these all, but you can see, you're definitely ranking for some words, but there are a lot that I'm going to show you that you can definitely benefit from. Now let's take a look at one of the first competitors that I brought up. Now, I typed in HVAC Pittsburgh, and I think you're going to like the volume of searches that brings in each month. When I did that, here was one of the first results. All right, so we have, I'm probably going to butcher their name here, but Bomer, right? And they do heating and cooling. So here's their site. As we scroll down, nothing crazy, right? It's actually maybe a little bit of an older site. And they definitely don't have that 1,000 to 2,000 words of content that we had talked about earlier. So adding in, that content focused in on those buyer intent keywords on your homepage and then again on your service pages is definitely going to help you outrank this competitor here, all right, who's showing up on the first page for that keyword. Now taking a look at their report, like I said, we'll get into the backlinks, but I'm going to show you the keywords that are working for them and, the ones that you can focus on as well. And we're just going to type in Pittsburgh right away. That way we can zone in on those buyer intent keywords. So when we type in Pittsburgh, we see heating Pittsburgh, 100 searches a month, HVAC Pittsburgh, 200, Pittsburgh heating, furnace repair Pittsburgh, air conditioning Pittsburgh. All right, so you see a lot of these buyer intent keywords right away, and they're ranked 1, 3, 1, 5, 3, 2, right? All in that first page. Okay, then you can see all that traffic that they're bringing in from those search results. So this is kind of why, they're ranking on the first page and why they're bringing in those results. Let's head back to their overview, and I want to show you another competitor here. When I typed in furnace repair Pittsburgh, all right, stall plumbing and heating came up. All right, and this is just their heating page. This isn't their home page. All right, so this is what a backlink, or a back page looks like here for them, and nothing crazy. So we could definitely beat them out with some more content. Okay, and then taking a look at their overview here, we're going to jump right into keywords. And again, this is just a back page, so they don't have too much going on. But if we sort this positionally, we're going to see right away these buyer intent keywords. Okay, we see their name obviously, and let's see, heating repairs Pittsburgh, furnace repair Pittsburgh, PA. That's a great one, 150 searches a month. Furnace repair Pittsburgh, 100 searches. So just those two keywords alone, focusing in on furnace repair, it's bringing in 250 searches a month. They're ranked number 3 for that, and they're bringing in some traffic. So you'd think that they're definitely converting those into customers too, right? So heading back to your report, I want to get into backlinks. We talked about that content, and obviously we know now, focusing on those keywords, what it can do for us. But that's just one ranking factor for Google. Okay, it's definitely an important one, but the next one I would like to talk about are backlinks. And a backlink is really just a vote of confidence from one site to another. All right, it's a link that goes from one site, say, to yours. All right, and when people click that link, all right, they expect to go to relevant content. All right, so not all backlinks are created equal, which is why you see these metrics here, the power and the trust of your backlinks. Now you have currently 71 sites pointing back to yours, and it's giving you 914 backlinks. All right, and your power and trust isn't bad, but we definitely want to get that up there as well. All right, and then you can see the current traffic you're bringing in. And then heading over to this first competitor, okay, we can see they have 81 sites, okay, compared to your 71, so not that much more, and they have less backlinks, okay. Their UR is up here, and their DR is a little bit down. Okay, but again, they're focusing in on that those buyer intent keywords. So, I mean, you're right there with them. Just kind of focusing in on those keywords will definitely help you outrank them. And then taking a look at the next competitor here. Again, this is just a back page, but you can see the power and trust are up there, and it's close to that 1-to-1 ratio, which is what we'd like to see. We don't want to see like 10 domains here and then 2,000 backlinks, right? Because that's lopsided. All right, so this is pretty decent. But once again, there's nothing crazy going on. All right, so not too much to outrank them. So we talked about content, we talked about backlinks. The last thing I'm going to touch upon are citations. And a citation is your name, address, and phone number. And we list those in business directories online, such as Yellow Pages. Okay, and that all has to do with your Google listing here. Not only can you get your website ranked on the first page, but you can get your Google listing ranked in the map pack section as well, which I'll show you here in a second. But you want to add in high quality citations, and you want to optimize this listing with some great pictures, all these Google reviews that you have, which is awesome, all your information. And then we want a great description. So it looks like you're missing your description here. Right? We talked about content and keywords. This is an opportunity to use that. Okay, that way anytime we type in, furnace repair Pittsburgh up here, or HVAC Pittsburgh, we'll head back and I'll show you right here. Okay, we see this ad section a lot of times. Okay, so some people are clicking this, but a lot of people skip the ads. Okay, and they head right to this map pack because they can see the 5 stars or close to it, and people trust Google to send them to the top results. Okay, so these guys are getting all the website clicks and phone calls. So again, adding in those citations and optimizing that listing, that's going to get you listed here in this map pack section. Then down below, we have the organic section. That's where the content and backlinks come into play. So utilize those tips, all right, content, backlinks, and citations, and get yourself listed on the first page of Google ahead of your competitors and start bringing in some more customers. If you have any questions at all, feel free to give me a call. All right, definitely utilize this information. Okay, and here's my business website, leadsbylordI.com. We are based out of Philadelphia, but we're in Pittsburgh all the time as well. So we'd love to chat, learn a little bit more about your business and maybe how we can help. All right, look forward to talking to you soon.